engineering entrance examinations in the country and joined IIT Guwahati. Now working as a software engineer with one of the world's largest software companies. Please put your hands together to welcome the table topic master of the day, Toastmaster Abu Bakr.
So for change is always good. So we are going to start most exciting, entertaining and enthralling session of this evening. In modern era, everybody wants quick response. If you are at office, your boss would be happy if you are able to deliver at right time. And if you are at home, your family would be happy if you are a deliver at quick response once they are asking, especially your wife. Suppose after attending 2 days meeting in Toastmaster, you are reaching at home and your wife asks, "Where were you?" And your response is late. Make sure that your weekend is going to be disaster. In Toastmaster, to make your life beautiful, easygoing, we have a special session called Table Topic, where we learn a quick response. In that, we call the Toastmaster or guest over here, and we give them impromptu topic, and they respond on that topic for 1 to 2 minutes. To start, my first table topic member is Payal. So your table topic is, it is a situation. Suppose that you are contesting for Miss India. And the question is, if you want to go back in your life, what decision of your life you will try to change and why? Audience.
Good evening, fellow Toastmasters and distinguished guests.
Good evening.
So, right now I'm the contestant, and the question is just being asked by the judge. If I had to get back, I would go back to those days when I never got a distinction in the 10th standard. I would say that because my mom was the president of the St. Joseph's Convent, and it was a great honor for her to give the daughter the distinction award, but I got only a first class. So I missed the opportunity, and I would want to relive that moment somewhere in the future by joining the Toastmaster Club. I think I can achieve it somewhere because this has given me a passion to speak well and have the power in speaking in such an esteemed crowd and make my parents proud one day. So I think I will achieve that through the Toastmaster Club. This is basically a place where we all learn. There is no success or failure. I know my speech is going really big, but as a contestant, I'm not talking, I'm talking as a Toastmaster right now, that it is all about learning and non-learning. And I plan to do this in the future by joining the contest, which is coming up, the International Speech Contest. Thank you.
Hello, Toastmaster Club. Who will be the next Miss India? So our next member are our Toastmaster, distinguished Toastmaster Rajiv Manwani. And as well as we have two Toastmasters. So we have two Toastmasters. Our Rajiv will be anchor.
He's actor.
Anchor of TVX.
TVX?
Yeah. And you are the Mr. Dhoni, who had last the series in New Zealand. So you are asking question related to what are the regions and how to work. Depends upon you.
Only X, not anything.
Now, my duty.
Mr. Dhoni. Last 7 matches India has played, we have not won one abroad. What is the reason? Is your leadership so weak, Mr. Dhoni?
No, my leadership is not weak. You know, the boys are trying very hard. They are trying to put their.
Where are they trying hard?
They're trying on the field. On the field. Yeah, yeah.
Because their hard work is reflecting somewhere else.
They're trying on the field their level best, but you know that we get tired very easily while on the field. And there are some other factors which are
Mr.
coming in.
Dhoni is telling they're trying the level best, but their performance is below the level, under the level. I don't know where they have gone. Can you explain their level?
No, our levels will of course improve then when we go back to India. You know that we perform good well at home pitches. So we hope that
Only at home pitches.
Yeah. Foreign pitches that.
It is said that a dog is a lion in its own gully. So can you compare the Indian team to dogs or lions?
Lions.
Which lions?
Lions which are in the belly.
At which level?
At home level.
Okay, Mr.
I
Dhoni.
hope that this interview is not being broadcast now.
Wherever it is cast, but I think so your players deserve a casting vote. Okay.
Thank you.